You go to the Forex trading site, click here to start trading. We're going to register as a guest, that way you don't have to give up any personal information. I accept the terms. Start simulator. They give you a free balance of 50,000 US dollars. So we're going to start with US dollars, and we'll stick with euros. And we're going to trade that one first. And that's the trade right there. All right, the next one is we're going down to British pound. It's US dollar. There's that. Now remember, they're calling this to total margin at risk right here. That means that this oftentimes brokerage firms will give you a line of credit. That's all a margin is. It's a line of credit. So even if the numbers might come up a little higher or lower than 50,000 after we've spent all the money, the reason would be is because of the total margin to risk right here. So always keep that in mind. So far we're down 940 bucks. This is the Swiss franc. See what happens here. Trade 3. All right. Let's do another trade. Let's reverse them and see what happens. All right, what we're trying to do is we're trying to mix it up a little bit to see how we can make some money. And all our money spent, as you can see, free balance is down to 0. And what I encourage you to do is load this up on your computer. Just leave it like this. And even close it out for a few hours if you have to or something. And try to watch it. And see what happens. And if you can, try to take a couple of copies of it. Just what I encourage you to do is copy it, or even a screenshot if you can, of what you bought initially, and then wait a few hours or an hour or so, maybe later on the day, whatever, and see if you can actually turn a profit. Then take a screenshot of that once everything turns green. See if you can take a screenshot of that, and again, show that you've made some money. So again, when you load everything up, the first thing to do is take a screenshot or copy it and save it in a document format or something, and then wait a few hours or a day or so, and hopefully this turns a profit for you, and then take another screenshot and show how the currency's changed. The whole purpose of this exercise, this extra credit, is to look for, it doesn't matter if you make a profit or loss, I want you to watch how currencies move in value to each other. And as you can see, the numbers fluctuating right now. This is in real time. What's going on is people are demanding various currencies. They're getting out of one currency. They're buying stuff in, out of Switzerland, and they're selling US dollars, buying stuff out of Swiss, and they need Swiss currency. They're buying, stuff out of America. They're selling euros to get into US dollars to make the transaction. So there's constantly things going on. And as far as supply and demand for currencies, and that's what's causing the fluctuation. So again, just do a quick screencast or screenshot, screen save, copy and save the initial trades when you first make the trades, and then wait later on and see hopefully it's gone up in price or not, and in value rather, and then take another screenshot and send that. So you'll be sending 2 screenshots total, or two copy and paste, whatever works for you. And just include that in your extra credit, and then you should be good to go. And hopefully you can learn how to make some money trading currencies. And feel free to, I'm not going to waste spend a lot of time rather researching all these things, but I encourage you, if you can spend a few minutes talking about how there's a couple of concepts I would like you to learn about, stop losses and things like that. And unfortunately, they don't have those here, but that's just as well. So yeah, stop loss right here. So research stop loss with currencies and things like that. Those are what's known as trading mechanisms. And if you have any questions or any problems, email me, and I'll get you right through it. Have fun. As you can see, you're already beginning to make some profits right here. So hopefully get these out of the red into the green. You should be good to go. Thank you.